This is Mohammad Azul Hussain back with the new video in Apun channel. Hope everyone is fine and doing well in this COVID situation. So as you have seen in the title, this video is all about web development, and I'm gonna show you today how to build a web page in HTML. Okay. So let's start, and before that I want to say that HTML means hypertext markup language. It is a high level language and it is used for making websites. So guys, now I have opened my notepad. In notepad, at first I will edit the font size. I will make it big so it will be visible to everyone. So I will choose it 18 and then OK. So today's topic is about HTML and how can we create a web page using HTML. So HTML is not a hard thing to do or a hard thing to remember, as everyone knows that coding involves memorizing of things, many hard codes. But today in this video I am going to show you the basics of HTML, that is hypertext markup language, and hope you will like the video. And before that I want to say that HTML is made up of syntaxes and tags. What I mean by saying syntaxes and tags, tags like syntax tag like the HTML start with the angular bracket tags or greater than and smaller than tags, and in the middle we will write HTML. So this is the start. This is how we can start an HTML format for developing a web page. And then if we have to close this tag, then we have to write HTML slash angular tag slash HTML. Is it simple? And it is simple as that. So this was how we started. Then everything that every instruction that we will write, everything that we will write inside our web page will be between these two tags only. So let's have space between these two tags. Then after HTML comes head, HEAD. I will tell more about head, but similarly like we close the HTML, we will also close the head. Head close. Then comes body, like the human body. Our web page also has body, which contains all the informations, all the main informations that we want to put inside our web page. Okay, body. First we'll close it later. First we will write what we need inside the body. Like I will write, this is my first web page. Okay, we have written this is my first web page. Before and we'll close the body like we close HTML head. So everyone has seen a web page, how it is designed, and every web page is different from each other. So in this video we are learning about the basic. It may look ugly, the website may look ugly, but if you want to learn HTML, you have to know the basics. So it is just the basic of what we are going to learn further. Okay, so I have written it. Okay, let's this. Okay, this is simple. Like we have written HTML, then close HTML in the last. We have written head, close head in the last. We have written body, close body in the. We have also closed the body, and then we will go to the files, save as, select the location you want to paste this file. Then this is the most important part for making an HTML, for using HTML to make an website. So we have to save the file name as, I will write my dot, you have to save as HTML or HTM. I will write HTML as you can see, and I will write save. Okay, we will write replace it. No, I already have in my.html, so I will rename it. I will write like ok.html. ok.html. Now we will save it. I hope it is saved. Yes, it is saved. As you can see in my desktop that there is OK file, and it is written type Chrome HTML document. So by looking at it, we can get a hint that something related to website or something related to internet has been created. So we will double click in it. Then my page opens. See, it's like we are seeing a website in the internet. Here is C users HP desktop ok.html. This is my first web page. So is it simple, and by using this only you can start being a web developer, and I can say that you are a web developer now. So it's just the basic, and we'll learn more about it. Like if we now go to the notepad and change something like head, between head comes title. Like if you want to give a title to your website, it helps in giving you the title. So we will write head, angular brackets, same, everything is under angular brackets, title, title. We will write the title, my web page. I'll close the title because closing the tag is most important. title, title. Okay, we have closed it, and I am going to save it again. I have saved it by pressing Ctrl plus S. Then I will go again to this. I will just reload it. Okay, just I have written some spelling mistake, I guess. V page I have written web page. Web pages. Just save it. Reload it. See, in the top it is coming that my web page. I have made a change and it's coming my web page. Previously it was okay. This okay, it is coming my web page. So the titles appears here. If you want to write your website's name, you can write up here. So it is the main thing that is used in title, and the title is used for giving a title to your web page. Then suppose we again open the HTML file, HTML format in Notepad. Then I will teach you more about it. Like if we want to add or if we want to change the writing, like it is normal, this is my first web page. So if we want to change the writing like bold, italic, so we have to enter some tags and syntaxes. So for this, if we want bold, we can write B. We can write this is my web page, then bold, close. Then we'll save it. We'll go back, and by reloading we can see this is my web page in bold. Okay, if we want italic, we can write I, or also we can write EM. EM is standard because EM is also used in Android development. EM. Okay, so we'll save it. Ctrl plus S. Now we'll reload it. See, it comes in italic form. So you can write in different types of form. It is just a simple and it looks ugly, I know, but slowly we have to develop our web page. If we go so fast, then nothing we can understand or we can practice. So it is better to learn slow and learn better. So next I will tell about how to write a paragraph in HTML. Like this is my web page. If you want to write this in paragraph, you just need to write P in angular brackets, then close P in angular brackets. We will save it, and again like we will write this is my these are so I have written this. I write this in italic em. I'll close it. I have saved, so I guess it will appear here. So I will just reload it. So this is our Apun channel, and this is my website is appearing. Reload. Okay, the use of paragraph can be more comprehensive if we are writing a sentence of 4, 5, 6 lines, then writing another sentence related to another topic. We can use the paragraph like this. If we do this, if we cancel the paragraphs here, this enter, red and using its notepad, I'm using NOT notepad. I'll just write the P for paragraph, and then I will close the paragraph. So I'll save it again. I hope you are finding it informative. I am a bit having a bit problem in explaining, as it is my first time explaining this type of content. I will reload it. See, you can see this is my web page, this is our Apun channel. It is coming in one line, but if we apply the paragraph, you can see that it is like a paragraph, that this is something which is related to one context, and this is something that is related to another context. Okay, the video, hope you like it. In the next part we are going to learn about how to link a hyperlink in our web page using HTML. So stay tuned, hope you found it informative. There were a lot of background sounds coming in my video, as it is 15 August today, and happy Independence to each and everyone who is watching my video now. So today is 15 August, and also today was Indian Idol's final. So my parents and my family, me also, we are very attracted to Indian Idol. So we are my family were watching that. So that was it, today's video. Hope you like it. Stay tuned for the next part.